Welcome guys. Now in this video we are going to learn the program and about simple interest. Yes, we will calculate simple interest. So I will write here code to calculate simple interest. Right. Now I think I should write formula of SI. SI capital SI equals to P into R into T by 100. Yes, this is the formula of simple interest. P into R into T by 100, where P is principal amount, R is rate and T is time in years. So as you can see, as I inserted this slash, this whole line became a comment. What about this? For this I can use a slash, but all the time doing this it will take time, or you can say there is some alternative way also. That was slash for was single line commenting. Now we have a multiple line commenting also. Once I use slash asterisk, see everything became comment, right? See here, now everything became comment, but I need only comment to be till here. So what I'm going to do is asterisk slash. Now only these two lines are a comment. So coming to this, you guys know very well that this is our syntax. Clear screen is missing. Oops, small letter. Okay, not. Yeah. CLRSCR, clear screen. Okay. So here we will be writing our code. Let us understand what are the variables we are going to use. It's very simple. We will use SI here, P, R, T. I think it might be sufficient. If it won't be, then we'll add more. Now we are going to define integer values. Coming to P, principal amount. We always have a principal amount that we invest in bank. We never invest something in decimal point. Suppose I need to invest 1 lakh, then I'm never going to take 1 lakh and 50 paise. No, I will take it in integer value only. It means P will come in integer type, comma, rate. See, in rate, some bank offer 6%, 8%, 11%, 8.5%. Rate may be in point. So rate won't be coming in integer type. Time in years. Okay, so years you cannot say ki 1.5 year or 2.5 year or 2 quarters, something like that. So time will be in integer. So we took P, principal amount, and time in integer. Okay, then done with it. Coming to float. Okay, see, SI, after calculating P into R into T, whatever value we get, if we divide it by 100, then we may get answer in points. So SI should be in float point, that means decimal. So SI will be here. I told you about the rate, it will come under decimal value, it means float. What else is left? I think it's sufficient for now. Now we are going to write the code, algorithm. SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. Yes, now we have to put a semicolon or we'll get an error. As you guys see, I think I'm not going to take values from the user. I'll define here only. Let's put the principal value 1000, not too much. What time should I give? Let's give 3 years. Simple interest you will calculate, and rate equals to 8.5. Now let's put we have applied the algorithm P into R into T by 100. See, now we got the value in SI. See, SI is already defined in float point. Now we got the value. The only task left with us is we need to show it in the screen. That means we need to do our output process. That means we need to print. So you all know printf function is there to do so this task. Okay, now what I'm going to do, the SI simple interest of, if you want then you can add the simple interest of principal amount, the SI unit of principal amount modulus the principal amount is in integer, so modulus d is modulus c. The answer is in SI, so SI is float, that means modulus f, so modulus d is p. Now modulus f I used for SI, right? Now we got the output. Let's compile the code. Control plus F9, control plus F9. The SI of principal amount 1000 is 255 point this, right? So we got the SI this thing. If you want you can calculate it manually also. Thank you and see you in the next video.